You gotta hurry up right here because production is rushing. It's like, come on, come on, come on, come on. We got it. We're on the clock. So, how you guys doing? Welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with today's fun cocktail. Right, production?
Right.
Cool. So today we're gonna have something for production. She is a strawberry fan, and today we're gonna be making the straw Basil gin cocktail. Hope you guys like it. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how we're gonna pour this guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. According with production, you guys have been doing fantastic. Thank you very much to every single one of you. Production, am I right? Or we're about to hit 100,000 views?
I think so, yeah.
Did I saw that?
I think so.
I don't know. Well, thank you very much, you guys. Thank you to all of you for keep following it. And as a matter of fact, I would like to take just a couple seconds to say cheers to every single one of the YouTube bartenders that the group that I belong in and that I have not been able to answer, talk to them, text them, congratulate them, make an opinion, giving them a thumbs like because at the hotel we're being so incredibly busy. So a salute to all of you guys, David, Rob, Bino, Gabriel, the Alchemist. I mean, every single one of you guys. Cheers to every single one of you guys. Let's please keep pouring. And you know, hopefully one of these days I'm going to try to catch up with every single one of you.
Don't forget Tim.
My number one, well, or number one, all or number one lover. Thank you so much, Tim. We appreciate it. What will be without you, my friend? Thank you so much for every single one of you that is giving us these likes and sharing it and give us the opportunity to reach your homes and show you how to make good cocktails to impress your friends or your girlfriend. Well, that being said, a straw basil gin cocktail. Very simple. I mean, this is going to be a really cool combination of strawberries, a little bit of basil, lemon juice, simple syrup, and obviously the main guy, gin. I've been discovering that the Bombay Sapphire actually works amazingly with a lot of cocktails, but for this one in particular, we're going to be using the Rampur. So I hope you guys like it. Let's start making our cocktail. And we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of Rampur Tanqueray gin. We're going to be grabbing some basil leaves. 2-3 basil leaves, and we're gonna grab 3 to 4 strawberries or 2 very large ones. One of those, let's make sure that we leave it for our garnish. Okay, so let's cut the stem out. And let's put them in there. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Now, let's give it a little muddle. It smells so good. Okay, once you have everything nicely muddled in there, let's put our cocktail, let's put some ice in our glass, and let's put some ice in our shaker. And let's give it a good shake. All right. And be patient because the strawberries actually, when they're muddled, they absorb a lot of the ingredients. So it takes some time to go all the way down. Color is on point. We're gonna finish this guy. Production, nos han robado.
What? Club soda?
Yeah.
In the refrigerator.
Club soda. Just give it a very light stir. Don't forget to get spring of basil, tiny slip. And you can grab a little bit of one of these small little, how would you call it? Peeler. But this one actually in particular, hopefully the camera can catch it. It has this small little tiny holes. And it makes a small little cute little tiny peels. Let's finish the cocktail with the proper straw. Tanqueray rum puri, a straw basil gin cocktail. Hope you guys enjoy it. And remember, don't drink and drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, everybody.